Lecture number 1 Fluid Mechanics by Varun Pathak Sir. Unit 1st Introduction and Fluid Properties. A fluid is a substance that is having the ability to flow or deform continuously under the action of shear force, no matter how much small the force is. Generally, liquids and gases fall in the category of fluids. For example, H2O, air, hydrogen, steam, etc. A static fluid is the one for which shear force is zero. No slip condition means that the molecule in the contact with the solid surface will stick to the surface, or the relative motion between the molecule and the boundary is zero. If the boundary is at rest, the molecule is also at rest. Whereas, if the molecule is moving, the boundary is also moving. Differences between solids and fluids. First one. In the case of solids, deformation is constant with time, whereas in case of fluid, deformation is continuous with respect to the time. d theta beta dt, rate of deformation, is more important than the deformation. In second case, in case of solids, on removal of load, solids will try to regain their original shape, whereas fluids will never try to regain their original shape. Note point 1. The intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of same nature is known as cohesion, whereas intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of different nature is known as adhesion. Second note point. Cohesion and adhesion depends on the nature of surfaces in contact. For example, water and glass, adhesion is more. Hydrogen and glass, cohesion is more. Water and plastic sheet, cohesion is more. d theta by dt is the rate of deformation, rate of angular deformation. Du by dy is the velocity gradient. No slip condition or Maxwellian condition, both are same. Unit first, fluid properties. First one, properties are certain measurable characteristics that can be quantified. Second, with the help of properties, we can identify a fluid. The first property is density or mass density. Rho is denoted the mass density, which is equal to mass by volume. Mass indicates number of molecules. Its SI unit is kilogram per meter cube. And density of liquid is always greater than the density of gases. Density represents the heaviness of the fluid. Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. डेंसिटी ऑफ हाइड्रोगिरम इज 13,600 किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब. Density of air is 1.2 kilogram per meter cube. On effect of density with pressure and temperature. Both liquid and gases densities increases with increase in pressure due to molecules come closer. Also, density decreases with increase in temperature due to bond will breaks. Mercury is approximately 13.6 times heavier than the water. मास ही मॉलिक्यूल्स है और मॉलिक्यूल्स ही मास है. मॉलिक्यूल्स आर बेसिक ऑफ साइंस. डेंसिटी का मतलब एक गिवन स्पेस में कितना नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आ सकते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी इज वेट डेंसिटी और स्पेसिफिक वेट, दैट इज ओमेगा. ओमेगा इक्वल टू वेट बाय वॉल्यूम. its SI unit is equal to Newton per meter cube. Important formula is omega equal to rho into G और weight equal to rho into G into volume V. The specific weight of water is 9810 Newton per meter cube. The specific weight of hydrogen is 13.6 10 to the power 3 into 9.81 Newton per meter cube. A specific weight depends upon pressure, temperature and acceleration due to gravity also. Note point: density is an absolute quantity with location, whereas a specific weight is a variable quantity with location. यही कारण है कि रात में पेट्रोल और डीजल भरवाने से एफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज होता है, मतलब मास बढ़ जाता है. बिकॉज रात में हमारा टेम्परेचर कम होता है सराउंडिंग का, तो उस केस में डेंसिटी इंक्रीज होता है. डेंसिटी इंक्रीज होने का मतलब एक गिवन वॉल्यूम में नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इंक्रीज कर गया, मतलब मास इंक्रीज कर गया.